Meet the toughest gang of teenage girls ever to slash their way across a motion picture screen. Their parents didn't want them. Their teachers were scared of them. Even the cops couldn't tame them. Switchblade Sisters. Are the young rebels fighting for survival in a decaying society? Or are they just teenage hoodlums taking advantage of their youth?
They can't hold us. We're juveniles.
First, you'll meet Lace. She's as affectionate as a scorpion, with all the loving tenderness of a buzzsaw.
Okay, you want me out? You're gonna have to.
You got knocked off, right? Big deal!
If you go, it's gonna turn out bad.
She'd rather kill her man than lose him. Then there's Maggie, Lace's best friend, a shapely young bundle of female dynamite, and Lace's man lit the fuse.
You're a chicken. Say it!
You'll also meet the girl who used her young body to earn the nickname of Bunny.
Have a little something to relax the nerve, and it's only $5. God.
Come on, Superman.
And then there's the one they just call Patch.
I lost my eye for this gang, remember? We used to be tough.
They also call her the Smiling Cobra.
Shameless.
Impudent woman! And from now on, that's gonna be us!
The Switchblade Sisters. You'll laugh with them. You'll love with them.
Maggie? What's going on in there? Maggie? You got a boy in there?
But don't try to fight with them.
Go away!
Remember, I want him alive.
Two teenage wildcats, both hung up on the same guy. One of them had to go the hard way. Meet the teenage girl gang even the cops were scared of. Switchblade Sisters is a story of today and maybe a little bit of tomorrow.